sana magpakabait ka at sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at wag matigas ang ulo pag lumaki. Sana ay humaba pa ang buhay mo. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Pia! First birthday mo to. I wish you a happy life and good health.
Hi Pia, happy birthday. Wish ko lang na lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos and healthy. Thank you sa pag-invite sa amin.
Happy birthday, Pia. I wish na ma-enjoy mo yung buong childhood mo and follow your parents para happy lagi. Thank you.
To our dearest Pia, happy birthday. We wish you grow up happy, healthy, smart, God-fearing, sweet, and many more. May you bring joy to a lot of people around you through the years to come. We love you and we will always be here for you.